Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube video about how to increase your YouTube channel views and subscribers. This video is really helpful for the new YouTubers, those who have new YouTube channels, and for those who are not getting views and subscribers for their YouTube channels. As we all know, there are many videos saying get so and so views, so and so subscribers in so and so time, but is it really works? The answer is no and only no. We have to follow all rules of YouTube in proper way to get the views and subscribers so that we will get good views and subscribers related to our content and we will get our channel monetized. So here we go. The first step we have to follow is that our channel must be unique in all aspects, whether it is topic or content. So that viewers must get unique content to watch because of which they like to watch your videos. If you are creating the channel regarding the topics which are already there on YouTube, then you must remember one thing that while uploading or creating video for your channel, your videos must be unique as compared to the videos which are uploaded on YouTube on other YouTube channels, because it gives viewers a reason to subscribe your channel, which ultimately results in increasing your views and subscribers. Creating a unique content is the first priority by YouTube. The second thing you must keep in our mind is, don't copy-paste the content. If you copy-paste the content from other YouTube channels, then also you are not going to get the views and subscribers for your channel, because YouTube do not allow your videos to be in top search results. Therefore, create your own content in your own way and upload it on YouTube. If the topic which you have chosen for creating video is already there on YouTube, then create a video in such a way that your video must be different and more informative than all other videos. If you are creating a unique videos, then take your own time and create them in such a way that viewer get fully satisfied after watching it and subscribes your YouTube channel. The third thing you must keep in mind while creating video is, your video must be of minimum 10 minutes length, because if you keep on creating videos of 10 minutes or more than that, then this will help you in achieving the minimum required watch time to monetize your YouTube channel in minimum subscribers. After getting monetized, you are allowed to place multiple ads in these videos, as YouTube allows YouTubers to place multiple ads in only those videos which are of minimum 10 minutes length. This ultimately results in increasing your revenue from your videos. While creating 10 minutes video, you must provide proper explanation, proper background music and needed animations so that viewer spends more time in watching your video and enjoys your video. Your audio in your video should be clear and loud and there should not be any background noise. The fourth thing you must keep in mind while creating video is subscribe button or subscribe animation video. While creating video, you must request at least 2 to 3 times to your viewers by showing subscribe button or video to subscribe your YouTube channel and press bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming videos. So many viewers watch videos, but after watching the video they just go for another video without subscribing to your channel. If you request them again and again during the video for subscription, then maximum viewers will subscribe your channel. This will also help you in increasing the subscribers of your YouTube channel. The fifth thing to increase views and subscribers for your YouTube channel is precautions during uploading videos on your YouTube channel. While uploading video on YouTube channel, you have to fill multiple options like title, description, tags, playlist, and audience. All these options plays key role in increasing the views of your videos. You must have proper knowledge regarding how to keep title, description, tags, playlist, and audience options. There is a separate video regarding these topics, as we cannot cover these topics in this video as the video will get more lengthy. You just go through that video for detailed information regarding how to write title, description, tags, playlist and audience options while uploading different videos. The link of the video is given in the description box. The sixth thing to increase views and subscribers for your YouTube channel is backlinking of your YouTube videos. After uploading your video on your YouTube channel, you must share the link of your YouTube video in multiple places. You must keep posting your video link in the comment box of other videos similar to your videos so that this will help you in increasing the backlinks of your videos. You should share your video link with maximum social media platforms, which also results in increasing backlinks. There are backlink generator websites which helps you to generate the backlinks of your videos. You can opt for those also. Once your video gets backlinks, it will get top ranking in YouTube search results, which also increase your views. The seventh and the final thing to increase views and subscribers for your YouTube channel is consistency or continuity. So many new YouTubers create YouTube channels after watching the incomes of other YouTubers or to get income from YouTube videos. No doubt everyone is doing for that only, but to get good income from your YouTube videos, you must have to get maximum views for your videos, and that is possible only when you are regular and consistent in uploading your YouTube videos. Because in the beginning of YouTube channel it is very slow process. You won't get views to your videos, you won't get subscribers, because of which you won't upload videos regularly. This also affects your channel. You must keep a proper schedule to upload your new YouTube videos so that your subscribers get content to watch regularly, and this will help you to increase your views along with your watch time. And one more thing to remember is, don't ask anyone personally to subscribe your YouTube channel. Let your subscribers come after watching your videos only, so that they are regular in watching your videos and you will get views from them on regular basis, which helps you to increase your income from your YouTube channel. We hope you have enjoyed our video and this will help you to grow your YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and press bell icon so that you will get notifications our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching our video.